All right, so now we're going to do an NPV question. What is the net present value of a project expected to have the following cash flows if the initial cost is $10,000 and the current discount rate for projects of this risk is 10%? So again, we want to write out a timeline, document what we're given. So we go to our tablet. Now, there's a couple different things. So we're just going to have cash flows. Now, we have zero cash flow. It's actually going to cost us how much to start this project? It's going to cost 10K. So that's in time 0. And then we have a few cash flows. So we have year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so we have cash flows in each one of these years. We have 2,000, 2,000, year 3 is 4,000, year 4 is 4,000, and year 5 is 5,000. And our discount rate for projects of this risk is estimated to be 10%. So we can do it the formula way, which would be 1.1 to the power of 1, 1.1 to the power of 2, 1.1 to the power of 3, 1.1 to the power of 4, 1.1 to the power of 5. Add all these up, subtract 10,000. So we'd add all these up, and we'd subtract 10,000 from that, which is our initial cost of our project, to get our NPV. NPV. Or we could go to our financial calculator, and we'll use the cash flow function. So let's see. All right, so we go to our financial calculator. So what we need to do is go to our cash flow. So our first cash flow is what? Well, we have 10,000. And it's negative. Enter. First cash flow. So cash flow 0, it's negative 10,000. Cash flow 1 is 2,000. So again, we should have cleared out. So we got to make sure we clear everything out. I had some data saved in there, which is not good. So our cash flow 0 is 10,000. That's what it's going to cost us to start the project. Cash flow 1, 2,000. Enter. How many times do we get paid $2,000? Well, we got paid twice. So we have a frequency of 2. Enter. Cash flow, second cash flow, 4,000. How many times do we get paid 4,000? We got paid 4,000 twice. And our third unique cash flow is 5,000. Enter. We don't have another cash flow. Our discount rate is what? 10. Enter. NPV. Our net present value in this case is $2,312.99. 2,031, 2.99. That is our net present value of these future cash flows. And so the point with NPV is when you have a positive net present value, that means the project should be accepted. If you're only using NPV as your primary or as your only decision criteria, you would accept this project because it has a positive NPV.